Hi, I'm Sean Stenhouse with DOMICO Software, and I'm going to be troubleshooting the Ingenico Wi-Fi terminal, specifically when it has the "this lane closed" error on its screen. Now this error really just means that it's unable to connect to the internet. It might be connected to your Wi-Fi, but your router is not connected to the internet. That would be a completely different issue that you would need to fix with your router. Really, you can just unplug it for 10 seconds and plug it back in to let it reboot. Of course, if you have any other systems relying on the internet, like security cameras or anything like that, you may not want to reboot it. Just call your company IT department to take a look. If it is just the terminal, you've determined your router is fine, then proceed with this video. Let's see what we can do on that terminal there. As you can see at the top of mine, it is not connected to the Wi-Fi, so I know that it's not the router isn't the issue. It should be this terminal here. Now you can turn your terminal off, turn it back on, wait for it to get the copyright screen, press the 264 green, all that stuff to get there, and just reconfigure it from scratch. But there is an easier method to do that from this lane closed. We can hit the function key 4 times rather fast. You hear it beep, and it comes to this screen here. The option at the bottom right is for access points. It's hard to see the screen on my monitor there. Access points for F4. We can see DOMICO test in the list. This is the one that we set up earlier that I guess isn't working anymore. So I'm just going to remove it out of there because we're going to set it back up. I'm going to hit the green button to select it. And then the only option is to delete it, F4 to delete. Now our access points that are saved are wiped out and unsaved. I'm going to hit F1 for new. Actually, for the process of this video, let me turn something back on so it will work. Okay, so let me press F1 for new to search for a access point, and it'll immediately start scanning. This is just like doing the back-end settings area, but this is in the front-end settings, so it might be a little bit more user-friendly here. We can see our networks that it detected. I will scroll down to the one I want to use and press the green button. For security, we only have the one option, WPA, WPA2. Press green to select that. And now we will enter our password. You can't use the function keys. You have to use the keypad. So it's just like sending a text message on an old cell phone. Whereas the number 3 pressed 2 times is the letter D, 6 pressed 4 times is the letter O, and so forth. For capitals, you just keep cycling through. So capital D would be the letter 3, I think 5 times. Yeah. All right, let me get this typed in. All right, when you're done entering in your password, you can hit the green button. Hear a good long beep. It is attempting to connect. Looks like it should be done here. I'm gonna hit the red button. Looks like it should be done here. Sorry, you can't see. I'm gonna hit the red button to back out. We still have this lane closed, and oh, just came up to try POS, and now I have the Wi-Fi. If that doesn't work, you can always try going back through the main menus, deleting things, but really that should be the one to fix you. Also, if it does not work, go ahead and watch our main video. Perhaps you skipped step 3 where you went into the POS comm settings. That is our main setup video, the 3rd part. If it's still not working for you, you have any more questions, just give us a call or an email and we'll help you out as best we can. Thank you very much for watching the video.